How to change a banner in your Google Forms. Now in order to change the banner in your Google Forms, just simply open the Google Forms, and after that you will get to see the banner in your Google Forms at the very top like this. Now if you want to change this, you just simply need to select this theme icon into the top of your screen. And after selecting the theme icon, you will get to see the option of header. Now in the header, the image is already selected. Now in order to change it, just simply delete the image by tapping into cross icon, and then you will get the option to choose a new one. Now just simply choose a new image from here. You can use the device images by tapping into upload or photos, but I would like to choose from the provided themes from here. Just simply choose any of the image, tap to insert, and then tap to apply button. And this will change the banner for you in the Google Forms. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.